Hello, this is Benjamin, and we are working on the song Role Model by the band AJR. So the chords that we'll be using are the A minor. You can also use the A minor 7. The D, and I play the D with one finger so that I'm just pressing on the top 3 strings, or you can play the D with 3 strings like this. And the next chord is the G major 7, the bottom 3 strings in the 2nd fret, and the C major 7, bottom string on the 2nd fret. We're also using an E7. Their E7 that they used on their video was this one, but you can also use, I find this one to be easier, 4th fret, the barred 4th fret without the one finger on the 5th fret, bottom string. And there's also using a B minor for one time in the chorus. Here's the B minor, so barred 2nd fret, and I also use the 2 fingers for the barring. Okay, let's take it from the top, and it goes something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D chord. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. G major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C major 7. We play that 3 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D major. 5, 6, 7, 8. A major 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C major 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D major 6, 7, 8. G major 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. C major 7. And the last time we're going to go to a ends in the E7, or their music writes G sharp diminished, which is very similar to the E7. And that's it goes. And that's essentially the whole song. There's the B minor in the chorus. Same thing. Once you hit it with that B minor, which looks like this, you're gonna be strumming 8 times. That's all. You can do down strum or down up strum, however you see fit. You are the artist. Good work.